I'm going to make cookies. This is a traditional Sri Lankan savory treat every New Year. Our ingredients: prepare 2 tablespoons of cardamom seeds, crush 3 tablespoons of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, cardamom, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 eggs, 1 cup of coconut milk powder, water, food coloring, 500 grams of flour, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. In a bowl, we will prepare our mixture. We will add the flour, 1 cup of coconut powder, sugar, salt, cardamom seeds, curry leaves, mix well all the ingredients. Then add 2 eggs, and 1 liter of water. We will add gradually our water so that we can reach the consistency. Add another 200 ml. Again, another 200 ml. You can use a mixer in getting the batter consistency. The batter for the cookies should be little thicker so that when you dip, the batter should completely cover it with a thick coating. Now our batter is ready. We will set aside 1 cup of this mixture to add different color like red, green, or whatever you like. I want to have a colorful cookies, so I will just add food coloring like this. I will add 2 drops of red food coloring and the other one green food coloring. And just mix. I think the color is not enough. I will just add another 2 drops. I think it looks better. We'll add turmeric powder in our remaining batter. This will give us a color yellow cookies. Now all our mixtures is ready. And we are ready to fry. In a pan, add oil above the level of your cookies molder. Dip the molder in the oil for about 2 minutes. Then dip it with your mixture. Look at that, it will give us a good shape. I recommend that you will use the non-stick cookies molder because it is easy to remove our cookies mixture. Just turn and until it will look like golden brown. Do this same procedure to the rest of our cookies mixture. Our temperature should only medium heat and cook the cookies for 2 to 3 minutes. It's just so easy. Look at that. This is our cookies. Super crunchy cookies. And the same procedure with our colorful mixture. This color, I add the red and the yellow, and it gives us like an orange. I forgot to tell you that you should only dip the molder in our cookies mixture only above half of the molder. Like this, only above half. If you have also difficulty to remove, use barbecue stick and you can push it slightly. Your kids will love this color. And super crunchy. Now we'll do our green cookies. But I think the color is different. So I will add yellow mixture. This is now the product for the mixture of green and yellow. It's better than the previous one. Now our color green. Presenting my colorful cookies. This one with turmeric powder. You can play with your color. I made all this color with this mixture. This cookies is very famous in Sri Lanka. Every New Year or special occasion, they will always cook these cookies. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching at Wilma's Kitchen.